she would.
You're pro at vlogging.
Shut up.
Sorry. Okay, that's a little too long over here.
Hey. Start us off, Eric.
Detailing the beginning of Holla Holla right now.
Yeah, that's for the ATEEZ medley. They're detailing the intro so we can get on to cleaning. What are your thoughts, Eric?
The song's pretty difficult.
Yeah?
It's also pretty fun. When you
It's
get
pretty
it right.
fun, right? What do you think, Steph?
Huh?
How do you think it's going so far? Yeah, nice. That's what we like to hear.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have special guest Rachel, you know, in her Men in Black outfit.
Yeah, that's right. Wait, hold on.
Forget everything you see. Blinded.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. That's it for our Halloween practice. Here's Vicky.
Wow.
What are you doing, Vicky? What are you editing? I see. Sounds good. Yeah, we did. So, yeah. Hello. Today is our second or third day of practice. We're currently now going to be doing ATEEZ's Eternal Sunshine. I went to go ahead and get some Blue Ball. Woo! Currently, right now, I'm going to be going back to see if the couple is still there. The couple is going to be Rap and Vicky. I actually don't know if they are still there. Hopefully they are, but if not, well, I just walked there for nothing and wasted my energy.
It's 12:31. I have practice at 2. I'm supposed to leave at 1. I'm still learning. Eternal Sunshine. It's so bad. I learned, I think pre-chorus. So I gotta learn chorus now. I don't know it.
Yep, just as I thought. They actually did leave without me and they didn't wait at Del Sushi. Yeah. Wait, what? Hello, we finished our 4th practice of ATEEZ today. Woo! Let's go! Look at how happy everyone is. Yeah, dude, I'm happy. Yeah, look at that. That's right. We don't need to talk about how long today's practice was, but we all are just grateful and happy that we're done for the day. And to a new beginning tomorrow. Woo! Our lovely leaders, Alan and Steph T, who's not gonna look at the camera. Oh, she looked at the camera. Are gonna be the ones deciding if we're gonna eat out today.
Why are we deciding?
I don't know, why not? Okay, yeah, we're eating. There you go. See? Also, this vlog will be coming out whenever, but I do want to let our viewers know that I am single and am looking for someone to spend the night with. You know, just watch anime. We all wanted to try out this new dish. It was called the potato string shrimp. Ooh, look at it. Cheers. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone. Today, I'm heading to the 5th practice right now. It is basically a week before ATEEZ concert, medley, performance, whatever you call it. We have a lot of difficulties with this medley. Just a lot of obstacles, and I am worried and stressed, and I am just finger crossing and hoping everything will be okay. Let's go! We can do this! Ah.
We're getting pepper lunch. Is everyone in it? Oh.
Oh.
Good. welcome to our 5th day of practice. Obviously, no one made any mistakes in our specific cut that we just did today.
Huh? What?
We have 4 practices this coming week to go ahead and just finalize everything.
2 practices with Rab, that's it.
Yep, but we're gonna do great.
Practices with Alan, and that's it. What do you mean?
Leaders, how do you guys feel?
We have
Better
a plan.
than before today started.
There you go.
We have a plan.
Exactly. Rick, how do you feel?
Hi. Oh, hi. So, see? Well, you see that cat? So cute. So cute. Ah, so cute. Nice. Today, I'm carpooling with Allison to practice. I'm just waiting in my car because I don't want to wait at home. Fun story. Not fun story. I'm kind of just jealous. I have a friend and her boyfriend's coming over from Korea to like kind of stay here. He was on the plane and got here like today. And you know what? He's on the same plane as ATEEZ. I think they landed in San Francisco. But oh my god, I dreamed like they were so close. Like literally she sent me like a video. I'm like, wow, I wish I had experience like that. You know, it's not like I'm gonna be assassin or like go after them, but like the fact of like breathing the same air, I wish. Hello. I can't vlog. Okay, I picked her. Well, I mean, she got here. Yay! Mission complete. Mission complete. Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Great, part of the vlog.
How's practice going? Practice is going well. It's our 8th practice test. Our 8th. 7th. It's one of our practices. It's our 3rd to last practice before we film on Monday. So we're almost done though. Hello! Today was our filming practice for the entire ATEEZ medley set. It's currently 1:41 at this time. The set's coming along pretty well. We'll go ahead and put some few clips of how our things look, but for the most part, it's going pretty great. We have just one more practice, which is going to be tomorrow on Sunday before the final day of filming. Hello! So this is our last day of practice with ATEEZ. So right before practice, we're actually going to be getting hironori. I got the tonkatsu ramen. What did you get, Taryn?
Vegan ramen.
Vegan ramen. And then what did you guys get? Shoyu. Yeah, so we're going to enjoy ourselves before we die today.
You know half these vlogs is food?
Yeah, because no one else is doing that. We wanted to go ahead and showcase that we also got a new speaker. Ooh, JBL.
It's sad. It's silver. Music group.
So we finally finished the last day of our practice for ATEEZ. Woo! So we just finished our final run through, and currently right now we're all just packing up, getting ready for the concert for tomorrow. There's a chance that it might rain, but we're praying that it doesn't rain for the concert, but we should be totally fine. Right? Vic, any thoughts? What do you think? Do you think it'll rain tomorrow?
No.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sunny, shiny.
We also just figured out what our chant is going to be from now on for arcade. Does anyone want to do a demonstration? Yeah, Connor!
Arcade, let's play!
Yeah! We'll have more content for you guys.
Wait, before you go, I think the vloggers should do it one time as well, you know? Let's go, dude.
5, 6, 7, 8, arcade, let's play!
That's right!
Hey guys, so I have to be a little bit quiet, but it's Eric. We just finished and the reason I'm being quiet is because there's a certain man who's stayed after practice, and right now he's doing a full uptake of the entire set by himself. Let's take a look. Yeah, he's actually doing the whole set. Respect Alan, but you really don't have to practice. If anything, it should be me. But yeah, see you guys at the concert tomorrow.
Hello, so today is our filming day for ATEEZ. We're gonna be going to this Mediterranean place. We're gonna show you the food later. Right now, it's currently not raining too much. It's currently just cloudy with a little hint of sunshine, eternal sunshine, if you will. But for the most part, filming's probably gonna go well and hope for the best. Let's go on to the other people.
So June just finished his swoosh transition. I know that was kind of embarrassing, but you know what, we'll take those.
Wow.
We're gonna go get some food because proper nutrition is important. We're gonna get something warm to drink as well. Maybe something from Starbucks, but you gotta be careful. We don't want another filming where I have to hold my bladder in for another 3 hours. So yeah, we're on our way. Alright, to the next person. There we go.
Should I?
So we finally got our food from, what's the place called, Alan?
Apollo Greek.
Yes, it's pretty good. I would give it 4 out of 5 because I messed up on my order. I didn't know that they had rice, so I got fries.
I was very lost. I literally had no idea where the sides were.
There was a sign right in front of them.
I didn't see it.
They were
I
just
was
blind.
looking at the menu on top.
Don't listen to them.
Well, it's filming day, so I'm going to go pick up one of our leaders. Excuse the voice. I'm sick. It's so sad. I'm sick, but you know, it's okay. I was gonna do a fit check too, but I'm like too ill to do that. So we're just gonna drive. It's kind of rainy. Should I whisper instead? It's kind of rainy, so like I'm a little afraid we're gonna be really wet by the end. I will record again once I get to Steph's house because it's a little dangerous. So that guy was looking at me. Okay, bye.
Hello. So I just finished painting my nails. So I have to wait for it to dry. Hi Cleo. And then I will be doing my top coat after, and then I'll be all ready to head out for filming. Okay, so we're all done. I just have to wait for it to dry, and then I'll be heading out in like 30 minutes to go to the concert. So yeah.
Hey guys, just checking in. It's 2 o'clock right now, filming day. As soon as I get dressed, I'm gonna leave, head over. Hopefully I can get there early enough. Making some finishing adjustments though to the outfit. Steph said that we need to accessorize more. Hopefully she doesn't mean me, but in case she does, my sister gave this to me. It's like a safety pin accessory. Maybe I'll just throw it on for now, and then when I meet up with everybody, I'll ask what they think. Or should I put it? If I should even put it on, because I don't know. To be honest, I should have left sooner. And me recording this vlog, I've just wasted like 3 minutes. But it's content, and hopefully everything goes okay. Should wrap this up and get going now. See you probably.
I got her. Let's go.
Hello, so Alan and Carolyn just dropped me off. They freaking ditched me at the sidewalk, so I'm walking over to the concert right now, and it's currently sprinkling. I'm hoping for the best, that it doesn't actually rain too much for our cover, but we'll see what happens. So update in regards to if it's raining or not. Just freaking raining.
Just arrived. As you can see, it's raining.
That's super wet. Oh my god. I don't have an umbrella. I'm walking with a towel.
I was like this.
So currently right now, as we're waiting for the rain to subside for a little bit more, I'm out looking for our other ATEEZ members. We'll see if any of them show up. Oh, I found one. Eric! What do you think about the weather? Bro, we're so screwed. We found 2 of the other people of ATEEZ. Yeah! How are you?
Umbrella. We did not anticipate this weather.
They said it was gonna rain.
I know, but I forgot what it means when it rains.
How's it all looking, y'all? Y'all ready for potential rain cover? Oh! Is that her? Oh! Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's play!
Hello! So we finally finished filming! Woo! Yay! So we actually only just did 1 take. You should know. I'll put in footage of it raining very hard and pouring very loudly so that we can film more than 1. So whatever you see, it was just 1 and that's it. We only had 1, so no excuses. Hello! So we're eating at the Anaheim Packing District and right now we've mostly all got our food, but look at what the f that is! It looks so good!
Hi! Today is day 2 of concert! Yesterday we already did our medley and then today a couple of us have our concerts on day 2, so yeah! Outfit check! I can't do a full body. I was gonna just wear this leather jacket, but it was too cold, so I have to cover up.
Filming for the vlog.
Yeah, yay. My ticket holders are here. I can enter now. We ran into Eric.
At the concert. Yay!
We accidentally bought seats right in front of Steph, David, and other Steph. So we'll be seeing them soon also. So you'll see us with them.
No!
They're right here.
This is so much better.
We're in the venue now.
Woo. Eric is all the way over there, covered by the light stick. But yeah, 20 minutes before the concert. Are you ready? They're singing this today. Concert's over.
Say something.
Very good.
I lost my voice.
I like John Paul again.
What are you in line for right now?
Merch. She's spending money. Money. The hoodies look so good on them.
Wait, you're getting the hoodie?
Maybe.
Hi. So I just came back from the ATEEZ concert. The concert was so good. Like, it was so good. If by the time this vlog came out and you still haven't saw Minky's fan cam for I'm the One fireworks, you should look it up. That man was like literally like freestyling the song and it was so good. Like, yeah, the concert was so good. I had a lot of fun, like, despite finishing up like work in class today, but the concert was really fun and the brain was painful, but I liked it. I really enjoyed it. I want to like thank all ATEEZ medley members for like pulling through this really stressful process, because like we're on a time crunch and it was a long set, but yeah. Whee! Thank you all so much for your patience and hope y'all had fun doing it. I mean, the rain was sad, but I think we did great. I think we did a good job. So, hope everyone had fun. People went to the concert, enjoyed, and bye.
like